Vera's one.
Yes.
Vera.
Vera, what are you doing? So today, obviously, I'm with Vera's camera.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vera here, as always and as usual. Guys, remember for some time now I've been talking about my event. So today or tonight the event is happening live at Amadio Event Center right here in Enugu. So basically, let me give you a brief of the whole thing going on. So a new TV channel, AfiaTv, is in town. And for some reason, for some special reason, all thanks to my channel, I am working with them, and they organized a contest rather, for creatives in Enugu and all that, to tell their Enugu story using writing, photography, artwork, or videos. And today is the grand finale or award presentation, and I'm here. Don't worry, you appear on my YouTube channel. Don't worry, I'll not cut it out though. So we are here tonight to give the award to the people, and guess what? They're all winning 300,000 from each of the category. So it's a whole lot of money. Stella, you did not participate. I sent you the link. You did not join. So we are all here. So join me. Have fun. Listen to the event, and So that's that. So let's get my outfit. And I'm seeing a lot of fine Enugu boys. I'll leave Josh tonight. See you.
Let me go down back.
Alright guys, so I'll get back to work, and maybe if Stella agrees, she could be filming for me while I'm working. So let me handle the ushers for now. They need to take pictures. Alright, see ya.
Oh my goodness, I look so fine. You guys should go and check out my own channel, Stella Orafu. If you don't, only God knows what I'm gonna do, but please go check it out, okay?
On the red carpet today, we have Chief Vera herself. Chief Vera, you look awesome.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. And you too, you look good.
Thank you. So who are you wearing?
I'm actually wearing a customized jumpsuit made by my baby girl, Salt. She's a designer here in Enugu. She's the best in the game. You guys should check her out.
Wow. Very well. So for
you.
tonight's event, my Enugu story,
Yeah.
what should we expect? Because I'm so excited already. And I would like to know, what should we look out for tonight?
I feel you're already feeling what you should expect. And for other people who are still in doubt, you should look forward to having so much fun, so much excitement, so much indigenous and cultural performance, and then reward. A lot of people are coming in tonight and they don't know they're already winners. So there are people who are winning 300,000 naira each. So that is us rewarding them for their input in the My Enugu story organized by AfiaTv. So it's a lot of fun, excitement, and just make merry. I mean, it's Christmas already, so Christmas came early from AfiaTv.
Came early from AfiaTv. I love that.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you so much for your time, Chief Vera.
You're welcome.
You look beautiful once
You
again.
too. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so we are still here at the red carpet, and this is Stella Orafu. She's also a YouTuber based here in Enugu. Yeah, check her channel. I'll drop it by the screen.
Check it out.
Check it out. Check it out. So we're still here, and very soon I'll be making my way. Oh shit! So we're still here at the red carpet, and I'll be making my way into the hall very soon for the event proper. You guys, please stay tuned. I'm giving a speech. I'm so terrified, but guys, I'll see you all later. The event has started almost, so my MD has said something, and I'm about to, guys, I'm tensed. I have a speech to give. Let me show you the crowd of people I'm talking to.
So, now he's back. We're going to have a short performance.
So these are the
And after
people.
that, the channel manager.
Okay,
and,
guys, so this
content
is
manager of
Ella.
AfiaTV
Ella,
will
say
come and
hi.
explain What my Enugu story is.
Hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, to
That
give
is
us some-
Ella. She's a YouTuber as well, based here in Enugu. Please subscribe to her channel.
Put your hands together
Please.
for Easy Gerald. Enugu,
Yeah.
Put your hands together for Easy Gerald.
Okay, guys. So these are the people I'll be performing in front. So I'll be giving a speech in front. So God help me, so I don't fuck up.
And if you don't know her, then you need to know her. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Super Sam. That happens to be my media papa. All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vera Chidinma, and I happen to be the channel and content manager for AfiaTv. Well, before I proceed, I would like to honor and recognize some dignitaries amongst us. You all are welcome, and thank you for sharing this evening with us, sirs and mas. And then the top 20 finalists. If you are here, I would like you to please give yourselves a resounding round of applause, please. I can't hear you. Can you all do that? Thank you so much. You all deserve it. You know why? Because you are all winners. For you to join this contest, it means you're a winner. And although we are here this evening, you know, to crown 3 people from amongst you winners, it doesn't mean that all of you are not winners. We just feel that these 3 people ticked off a couple of things on the judges' criteria list. But thank you all for being part of the contest. So let me talk about this contest and how it came to be. It was on a very cool evening. If you're a reader, you know that most books and novels start this way, you know, summer of 1997. So this was a cool evening here in Enugu. And I was with my MD, Mr. Emeka, going over some ideas as we used to. So he said to me, you know, V, what's up? You know, let's do something. Let's reward creatives in Enugu. Let's host a contest for creatives. And, you know, at the end of the day, the winners can go home with 250 to 300,000. I was like, what? That's a whole lot. I mean, I've been creating content in Enugu and nobody has deemed it fit to reward me. And, you know, we are saying this like this. So, you know what? Being a lover of everything Southeast and most precisely Enugu, I said, yes, I'm going to do this for my people. Although at that instance, I knew I was disqualified from contesting, but it hurt me, but I had to take the bullet. I said, okay, sir, of course, it's a nice idea, let's go on. And that was how AfiaTv, my Enugu story, was born. Agreeing to do that was one thing. Now, getting to do the thing is another. Being the content and the channel manager, I knew it was up to me to make sure the project goes on well. So I had to rally round, got my team members, and we started working. We pulled up our sleeves and, you know, got to work. And the majority of the work was on the fact that we needed to introduce AfiaTv to people. Nobody knew AfiaTv. AfiaTv is a new brand. The closest people have come to hear or know Afia is when they say, Nchoeja Afia. That is, I want to go to market. Nobody has heard of AfiaTv anywhere. So we wanted people to believe in the vision, to be part of this. So that was the major thing we did. And the funny thing is this, people, members of my team, we all have strong personal brands. I don't know if I told you all, but I am Chief Vera, in case you don't know. Yeah, the chief, yeah. So I own the biggest YouTube channel on YouTube that tells the Southeast stories, most especially Enugu stories. So I basically package our content and sell it across the globe. So that is a lot. And I have a strong brand. I need to repeat that just in case you didn't hear me the first time. So despite having someone as myself and other people on my team, it was still an extra work to convince people to believe and to key into AfiaTv vision. You know, we got a couple of questions, people asking things like, who are you guys? Who is AfiaTv? What is AfiaTv? How legit are you? Some sent me a DM asking, how sure are we that after the whole thing, that you are going to give 300,000 naira? Like, are you guys sure? And, you know, like people of my generation would say, are you sure that no one uses us catch cruise? Like, you all say that, right? So they asked that, and we kept answering questions, proving them right and proving them wrong rather. But I got to a point, I said, no, let's stop answering questions. Let us do more of what? Earning their trust. So instead of answering you who we are, what we are, and, you know, why you should believe, I started asking for trust. I said, just believe us. Just be part of this. Just key into this vision. And boy, trust the day. And that was why from the first day of November 2021, when this contest started, right up until 5th day of December 2021 when the contest closed. Men and women, young and old, children, okay, nobody children from 18 and above across the country who were united by one thing, their love for Enugu, their love for this city that is on the hill, their love for this city whose dial code is so popular that is heard outside of Nigeria. Let me tell you something. When my friend and a fellow creator, Iwodemaya, came into Nigeria, he was here in Enugu, he kept saying, the first thing he told me when we met was, Vera, what is 042? You know, he was using the Ghanaian accent. What is 042? What does that mean? I said 042 is a code. It represents people, human beings. And people, the contestants here, all of them in different versions, in different perspectives, they wrote stories about this city. This city that has played host to them, either as students, talking about those that went to ESUT, IMT, UNEC, Coal City University, whatever, we have them. Talking about the city that played host to people as core members, people that have served in the 17 different local governments in Enugu. Talking about the city that has played live host to people like myself. I was born and nurtured here in Enugu, and somehow I'm still here. So Enugu has done a whole lot, and these people, over 100 of them, submitted their articles, told beautiful, beautiful stories of Enugu. But it's so quite unfortunate that we can't invite all of them here. That is why we brought this top 20. Now at this point, I don't want to bore you with the whole story, but the truth is this, when we started, at some point, I was scared. Would people submit entries? Would they say something about Enugu? Like, what happened? Some days ago, I would receive just 2 entries. Some days, 1 entry. But it kept going. People kept pushing. Brands kept pushing. Friends kept pushing. People kept believing. They kept keying into that just because they love this city and they want to tell their own version of this story. So at this point, I would like to say a very big thank you to the contestants. Without you, there is no contest. We could have made the contest, even promised you heaven and earth, and if you didn't put in your entries, we won't be here. So thank you all for being part of AfiatvMyEnuguStory. Now to the brands and influencers who risked their reputation to be part of us. They didn't know the faces behind AfiaTv, but they went ahead to promote us, to push us, and to say good things about us. Thank you all. Now to my team, to Jessica, she's so dear to me. She's not here. But if you've sent DMs to any of our social media platforms, Jessica is the lady that must have interacted with you, asked you to send your pictures and asked a couple of questions. She made this project seamless for me. I couldn't have done it all without her. Now, while handling this project, one thing that was common, people kept noting our graphic designs. They said they loved it. It was lively. It's something they could connect with. And I'm so grateful for God for giving me the grace to be intuitive, to pick those graphic designs. There are a lot of people who applied for the position, but somehow, for some reason, I picked them. And they were so dedicated to the work. They were giving me timely designs. Whatever correction I asked them to make, they make it. And they're also part of the success story. So for them, my graphic guys, thank you. Now to my in-house teammates, talking about my MD. Sir, look up now. Let me say hi to you. Thank you so much for being supportive and for this. And to other people, Mr. Casey, Mr. Josh, Mr. Austin, Mr. Ifeanyi, Muna, and Mr. Chuma, the whole team of AfiaTv. Thank you. Your support, your ideas were very instrumental to this. Now, I would also want to thank the judges. Thank you, sirs. Most of you are not here, but thank you so much. Do you know how many entries we received? Over 100 entries. Majority of them were articles. And when I mean articles, people really wrote from their hearts. They gave us their best. They gave us like encyclopedia of Enugu. So when we talked about judges, I said, who would agree to sit down and read through all of these things? I'm not sure I'm going to find anybody. But when we called on these ladies and gentlemen, the ladies are not here though, but when we called on them, they took on that humongous task and did it as though it were nothing. They sat through days, hours, reading each of your entries, reviewing and watching your videos and pictures and going back and forth until they were able to produce the best. So thank you so much for giving us your time, your expertise, and your patience. I am so grateful, sirs. Now, to our friends, when I said that AfiaTv means business, we are here to extend our hand of fellowship. We are not here to walk alone, no. That is why we started with this contest, to tell the creatives, do not be afraid. You don't have to run to Lagos. We are here to support you. That is what AfiaTv stands for. Whatever support you need as a creative, AfiaTv is here to render. Be it, let me not say financial, before my end you beat me, but technical-wise, AfiaTv is here to give you that thing. If you see something in Hollywood and you feel you can produce it in Enugu, don't worry. AfiaTv has your back and would help you do that. So that is what I mean by extending our hands of fellowship. And because of the good work we've already started with AfiatvMyEnuguStory, we got some friends that saw what we did and they decided to be part of us. I'm talking about people like Dr. Mrs. Silva, Odocha, all the way from the United Kingdom. She saw what we're doing on social media and she lent her support through a generous donation. Ma, wherever you are, I hope you watch this. Thank you so much. AfiaTv is so much indebted to you. I would also like to thank Dr. Innocent Chukuma, the CEO of Innocent, for his support. He saw what we are doing and he decided to lend his support as well. So we are grateful. AfiaTv is grateful. Now back to the contestants again. Thank you all for being part of this. And if you don't win this night, please, if you don't win this night, do not feel that you're not a winner. You know why? Because I have two people that have gotten a job courtesy of this contest. Someone read their works on our pages and decided to chat them up and give them jobs. So you could be that person. Do not relent, and thank you all for listening. Tonight we party. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the round of applause. Please give her a better one. Channel manager, AfiaTv.
Hey guys, so at this point, I lost audio and I didn't even know the audio wasn't picking while I was recording. But this is the award presentation time. And like I said earlier, the contest was in 3 categories. The first being article, then followed by photograph or artwork, then lastly videography. So I'm just going to roll the clips of the top 3 entries, but in just photo or video categories, because you can't read the entire articles from this screen. So I'll just play it and then indicate the winning video or photograph so that you also can decide if the winners deserved it or not. Although for me, the winners deserved it because they really worked hard and put in a lot of talent into this. All right, so let's get to it.
Said that Enugu is in the hands of God. We're hoping that we remember we are the hands of God, because God made man and man makes the city. Enugu is not just a city, except when it's just and pretty. It's the queen metropolis. How else is it so lively without suffocating, so calming without tendering boredom? There are the people who ought to have flavor. Nabania, we are celebrating a freedom of laughter with people in our hands. And when you graze her outskirts, a place particularly also known as Oba Town, Nsuka Dioyo, not to mention Ndidi Nwo, Oji River, Okpara Nkanu, and if you've tasted abacha ezako. Always cool city, sweet cool with or without the prepping of coal. Ask Nikalik. And if a more thundering adventure you seek, or home waterfalls, look, Otiba is not a junction for nothing. We're coming out to play because it's laughter that opens the mind to whatever the universe has to offer. And when you are on top of the hill, and the world can watch. Devastating, beautiful, if you think too deeply about it. But you don't have to go too deep. Simply go out. Look, it's Enugu in the palm of your hands, choosing to seek peaceful, and even when crushed, to resurrect in a glistening kindness from brother to brother.
A lot of resources everywhere waiting to be tapped. Silver is the next big thing, and that's what I'm looking for. Oh my goodness. Cool. This is a city of coal.
Often people ask me who I am. The answer is pretty simple. I am this city. I am the sounds that whisper at night and the light that peeps at dawn. I am the taste of the morning and the sizzle of the night. I am religion, music and sport. I am the hustle in the heat and the calm that follows. I am the fancy and the local, the culture and the style. I have many sights and many sounds, but this one thing I am my city. I am Coal City.
We've come to the end of the event, and I just took pictures with some of the readers who I call my first children because they were born out of my first project for AfiaTv, and I'm so proud of myself right now. So guys, I will see you in my next episode. Thank you for watching, and if this production was a bit not professional, it's because I was busy trying to make sure that things go as planned, go as I've been planning. Alright, so guys, I'll share some of the clips from the winning categories so that you guys be the judge that these guys really deserve it, and there are a whole lot of other people that also deserve it, like a whole lot of talented people in Enugu, and I like that this project brought them to bear, and next year we are going bigger and we'll see more talent. So guys, thank you for watching, and let me give you a shout out to my makeup was done by Claire Albert. What's her handle? Beauty by Claire on Instagram. Then my dress, which is actually a jumpsuit that we made last minute, was made by Salt. Salt is Okija girl on Twitter. She's my stylist and she does amazing things for me, guys. So I'm so much feeling myself. My MD says there is an after party and that is where we are headed. I'm so much for that, guys. I've not eaten, that is just the truth. I've not had anything. The last thing I was served, I left it on my table. I asked someone to help me try it, and I'm sure it's going to be cold, but I'm going to chew it that way. So guys, thank you all, and I'll see you all later. So I'm going to spread pictures of myself because I'm feeling myself this night. Thank you all for watching, and make sure you be part of AfiaTv. AfiaTV means well for the Southeast, for Enugu, and for a good lot of people. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.